how to use Microsoft PowerPoint offline. Now you can absolutely use Microsoft PowerPoint offline. For example, if I turn off my internet from the top right hand side like this, and then I want to open up PowerPoint, so from the bottom I can open up PowerPoint. You can say it will open it up. If I have some of the old files that I want to edit, I can simply select that file, or I can start a new document or a presentation. So I'll simply choose one of my existing files. I can make every changes that I want. The only thing that you'll be lacking is saving it to cloud like your OneDrive, but if you can save it offline, then that's also pretty decent. You can click the file option from the top left, go to save as, and you can save it to your default location and not on OneDrive, so that it doesn't need an online internet connection. So this is the way that you can use Microsoft PowerPoint offline, and yes, except for doing some online work, it can absolutely be used offline. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.